Do you have a set of lights that look like this or have a plug like this? Some of these plugs have a timer function alongside having the flashing and static modes. If you look on the side, you might have an instruction like this telling you how to use it. To set and reset the timer, quickly double click the button. They will come on for 8 hours and will be off for 16. So if you want your Christmas lights to come on at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, plug them in, double tap your button until it glows green, and then these lights will stay on for 8 hours and go off about 11 o'clock at night. If you do not have a button on the top of your plug, then it's most likely that it doesn't have a timer function. You plug your lights in, there they go, and then the button on top, double tap, and you can see that is now glowing green. These lights will now stay on for 8 hours and then turn themselves off. They will stay off for 16 hours and then turn back on again at the same time you activated the timer function. If you want the lights to come on, for example, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, then you need to double press the button at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it reflects in real time. So if you want them to come on at 4 and go off at midnight, double tap the button at 4 o'clock in the afternoon and then they'll go off at midnight. All the other modes of the lights will work exactly the same. It doesn't matter when you do the double press. You can select whatever mode you want, and if you don't want the timer on, just double tap again and you can see that's gone off. If when you double tap the button the light does not come on, then try long pressing it for 3 seconds. This is usually how to turn them on NOMA products or the likes of Aldi's Yuletide nostalgia lights. So that's how you activate your timer function on your multifunction LED lights. Have a little look at your plug and see if yours has a timer function. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch you on the next one.